Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Tuesday, February 22, 2022. Today would be the day after the options expiration day on Friday, the first full trading session following that. And Friday's options expiration day was weak. It closed down at the lowest closing level for last week. So what we'll look at this morning is what has happened following a weak options expiration day. I've selected all four instruments. The setup will be based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, for this study, there's not going to be a huge amount of samples due to the weakness that we had on Friday, as well as the environment that we're in. So I'm skipping over opening filters just to keep as many samples as possible. Plus, we're trading right around that level. I really don't know which way we're going to be opening. You can add that to the test afterwards on your own when we know which way we're going to be opening. But for now, I'm going to leave it out. I am going to go into the price patterns and say that we closed at the lowest price of the last 5 sessions here by clicking on day after 5-day low close here in the active today from the price patterns library. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the indicators, say that we closed below a 10 and below a 200-day simple moving average. And then I'm going to go to the market events library, and I'm going to say that today is the day after options expiration day. I grabbed that from the active today section as well. Now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when it is the day after the options expiration session, and that session closed at the lowest close of the past 5 days. This is taking place in a weak market, which I've defined as below a 10 and 200-day simple moving average. Historically, just 17 samples here for the S&P, 17 for the NASDAQ, 16 for the Dow, 18 for the Russell. The win rates on these coming in a little bit weak. We've got S&P coming in, 35% of these have closed above the opening print for the day. That's the same for the NASDAQ, 35%. The Dow is 44%, the Russell 39%. So win rates skewed a little bit more on the downside. As far as average moves go, the average win is larger than the average loss here in the S&P. That is also the case for the other instruments as well. All four of them have larger average wins compared to their average losses. So historically speaking, this has been a weaker session on average, meaning that we have closed below the open more often than not. But when we do not close below the open, the big moves have taken place on the upside on average. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.